Hi, Vita. Say hi to everyone. Hi. Yep. This is what happens when your cat thinks it's a parrot. Say hi. Or she thinks that you're a jungle gym. Yep. So the hood is on because it protects me because sometimes her back claws get a little she gets a little rambunctious with her back claws, and then they do things like scratch my neck. Say hi to everyone, Vita. Come on, say hi. Good morning. Actually, good evening. Uh, Vita, what are you doing? Hi, everyone. Give me a kiss. No? No kiss today? Nope. Nope. Uh, uh, yep. This is what your cat does when she thinks she's a parrot or she thinks that you're a jungle gym. Hi, Vita. Uh, this is her being like not quite as normally rambunctious. So it's her being a mellow cat. Vita. Yeah. I adopted her after somebody abandoned her at the fire station. So she jumped in my car and then decided that I was going to be the new human for her. So, but she is a ninja. I believe she is a ninja that's been reincarnated as a cat. She's the only cat I've ever met that learns how to walk quietly. When we used to have collars on the cats with bells, she could walk quietly, so you couldn't see, you couldn't hear her bell. And then she knows how to walk through the cat door. Okay, you went down? Where you want? Oh no. Okay, no. She just wanted to go back there. Okay. Well, everyone, you all have a good night. Say goodbye to Vita.